greater and more urgent. So much has been achieved, and a lot is yet to be achieved. We have, like is the case everywhere, new challenges. Some are existential. I pray that the leadership, God gives it wisdom to navigate these hardships. Therefore, continue training, use the opportunities being provided. Make sure that you deepen your ideological horizons, but above all, love your nation and honor the people of Uganda always. They are special people. Conclusion, Mr. President, sir. Your Excellency and dear comrades, there is no greater honor than to serve the people. Those who choose to die in service of fellow men and women, to sacrifice for the higher goals and ideals, and in effect the service of God, for God is his people. I salute you. I thank God for this day, for enabling us to travel this road together, for the victories and achievements we have registered, and for the moments we have shared in happiness and in grief, for it has not always been laughter, like when we have lost so many in battles. We have shared a lot, but we have served Uganda, and I'm sure Uganda will prosper. Thank you, and may God protect everyone, for God and my country.